Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a bright bridge pickup and setting gain so saturation, not sludge. Make sure the low mids are tamed for note definition. Once set, place your palm 0.5 to 1 cm from the bridge and apply light to medium pressure to create a tight palm mute. Then commit to strong, deliberate downstrokes with a 30-45 degrees pick angle, keeping contact brief. This first action locks in attack and muting. You'll hear the chug come alive immediately if you maintain steady right-hand timing. Once you can hold consistent downstroke chugs, work 16th note subdivisions, and introduce rests and accents to form rhythmic interest. Make sure you mute non-playing strings with your left-hand index or right-hand palm to avoid slop. Then layer in power chord hits on beats 1 and 3 to create the classic heavy contrast. Transition your palm pressure between full mute and slightly open to reveal ring when needed. Practice with a metronome and slow tempos first. You'll build precision that lets speed follow without losing clarity. Finish by locking your chugs to the drum pocket. Align accented chugs with the kick and snare so the groove breathes. Then refine your right-hand motion. Keep wrist-driven, minimal movement, and consistent pick strength to increase speed without flabbiness. Finally, scale practice to tempo using short bursts and gradually increase BPM. If you run into excessive ringing or fuzzy noise, tighten your palm mute, reduce gain, or tweak pick angle. That troubleshooting step usually restores the tight chug tone immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.